Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a fingerprint to VIVO V29 Lite. To add a fingerprint, go to Settings, then go to Security, Fingerprint, enter your screen lock, and then click on Start Enrollment. Agree to the privacy statement. And now you can place your finger on the sensor, which is under the screen. Place it multiple times and lift it. Try moving your finger between each scan to scan the whole area. Also try adjusting your grip and scan the finger edges so it works every time. And now click on Done. And now when you lock your screen, you can quickly unlock it by tapping on the sensor. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.